this patient has come to us with a concern of less hair growth in this particular region of his mustache when compared to this particular region. So the medial aspect of his mustache has very thin and sparse hair. That is the major concern of the patient. So he wants to proceed with a mustache transplant only in this particular area. So we'll be grafting few of his follicles from the donor region and transplanting it particularly in this particular area for a high density mustache region.
So this is a patient that you can see he's come to us now 1 year after we've done the lip procedure. You can see this. He had lack of hair and there was a cleft that had caused the asymmetry, the deformity. And you can see we've corrected that. This is immediately after the surgery.